Okay guys, so I'm home back in my room. There wasn't much happening, but right now the time is actually 12:46 a.m. Now I found a very interesting thing and I'll tell you what that is. We can now connect Canva and a variety of other apps, although a select few, to our ChatGPT, and we can talk to these apps and they are gonna do stuff for you. I'll show you. So that's the workspace, although a bit messy, but anyways, we had this Insta 360 camera attached and I was transferring some material. Anyways, I'm in ChatGPT, and if you go into the settings, I gave it all the permissions, and then now it has connected my Canva with this. So connected on 13 October, works with deep research. Okay, wonderful. Let's see what it does. So here, well, I think it should give Canva. Let's write down Canva. Okay, no, it's not giving that. Let's go over here, go to Pro. Okay, I am already in Pro. What to upgrade with? Deep research. How do we do deep research? I think we have to go with thinking, and here let's write Canva. Or how do we do this? Okay, deep research. Here we have deep research. Now let's type Canva. Well, the thing is, here it's doing the research, but I don't need the research. Actually, I need Canva to make the design. So I think there's some option over here. If I select this, and here in more I can write Canva, and now let me type the same thing. So what I wrote is, Canva, make me a meme on Pakistan Stock Exchange. Let's see if it works or not. Let's hit enter. So we'll have to actually stop the previous one, or stop, and we'll let this one go. Okay, go again. It's showing something like connecting to app, and let's see if it works or not. Now it's saying designing meme options. Oh, I think Canva is directly connected in my ChatGPT now. Oh goodness, this is game changing. This is game changing. You don't have to go to Canva. You can stay here in ChatGPT and it will give you whatever you need. So let's see. Well, okay, Canva made something. This is the first thing, second, third, fourth. Okay, but anyways, the thing is, we have Canva inside ChatGPT. So this is gonna be game changing. All these apps directly inside of ChatGPT, it's gonna do wonders for us. We don't have to go to the other app. So they also have booking.com. So maybe we can even book stuff directly from here. So that is all exciting for me and hopefully for you as well. I just showed you one thing that you can do. Now I'll do some work, I'll record maybe some video, and we'll meet again tomorrow.